Hello and what's up everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide all your Facebook pictures at once. So to begin with, what we need to do is go to Facebook, and by the way this process is same for Android and iOS. So what you do is once you're on Facebook, what you need to do is go to the menu, and from the menu go and click on the setting icon, and it'll take you to the setting, and it'll take you to the setting window. Now here what you want to do is, before the updates it was here available here. If you would scroll down you would find it here, the option, but now it has moved on to this option where you click on your profile setting, and then this privacy window open up. Now here what you need to do is click on profile and tagging, and then scroll down, and you'll in the tagging section you can see that there's a menu where it says who can see posts that you are tagged in. So what you need to do is click on this, and here you need to click on more, and you'll find an option of only me. Once you click on only me, no one else will be able to see the posts that you are tagged in. And for the future post, if you want to change the setting for them, what you need to do is go back, and in the privacy, in the first one, click on it. Then after that what you need to do is you'll find in your activity that who can see your future posts, that if you make a post who's going to see it. So here you can also change that if you want to change that to friends only, or friends of friends, or you want to change it to public. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it helped you, please drop a like, comment if you have any question. I'll love to make a video about it, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.